Good morning, guys. So today is the first ODI being played at Ranchi, and most important everyone would be thinking about is the team combination. So the way I look at it from the Indian side, Rohit Sharma and Yashasvi Jaiswal would open Virat Kohli at number three. There's no surprises there. Number four is a toss-up. A lot of players are there, but I would prefer Tilak Verma there for the simple reason that he is a good batter and he is picked up as a batter, so he comes in at number four. He could also give you a couple of overs, so that advantage could be there, which Pant cannot do. So I would go with Tilak Verma at number four. Of course, Jadeja at five, uh, KL Rahul at six. That's how it looks like. Probably Nitish Kumar Reddy coming in at 7, Washington Sundar at 8. And the last three, of course, will be bowlers, where we could have Kuldeep Yadav at 9, Harshit Rana at 10, and Arshdeep at 11. Or the other way around, Harshdeep Rana coming ahead of Kuldeep Yadav is not an issue. 9, 10, and 11, of course, is Arshdeep Singh. So we have two genuine pacers in Harshit Rana and Arshdeep Singh. A third pacer is Nitish Kumar Reddy. Though I would still say it should be Prasidh Krishna playing instead of Reddy, but Reddy being an all-rounder has slightly extra weightage, so he comes into the team. And bowling will not be short because two genuine pacers, one medium pacer who's all-rounder there, that's Reddy. And then in the spin we have Kuldeep, we have Washington Sundar, we have Jadeja, three spinners, so technically you have six bowlers. But of course you don't expect Washington Sundar and Reddy to give you 10 overs each. So between them, if they can give you 10 overs, you should be happy with that. Jadeja and Kuldeep giving you 20 overs of genuine spin, and Arshdeep Singh, Harshit Rana giving you 20 overs of genuine pace. 10 overs, and as I said, you have Tilak Verma there in case you feel you need an extra bowler. Somebody fails, somebody can have an off day. Then Tilak Verma comes in with a couple of overs, and you shouldn't have a problem with that. So that looks like the ideal combination for today's match. And the confidence that comes in for India winning today's match is because of Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. The other batters who are coming after the test may not be as confident, but the confidence of Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli will definitely rub into Yashasvi Jaiswal and Tilak Verma at 4. So the top 4 should do the job for India as batters. Others are there as backup, so that's okay. But I would, if you look at the entire series, because this entire series is a day-night series. I think next match is at Raipur and third at Vizag. So the way I look at it, Kuldeep Yadav should be your prime bowler. Lead bowler should be Kuldeep Yadav, and he would get the maximum wickets also in this series. That's my pick. And among the batters, I feel Quinton de Kock from South Africa cannot be ignored. But I still feel Rohit Sharma has the edge. The crowd support for Rohit and Virat will be pretty high in all the three venues. So that's why I said India does have an upper hand in this series. If not 3-0, at least 2-1. And I personally feel Rohit Sharma would be the pick of the batters. So for batting, I would pick Rohit Sharma as the best batter or the highest scorer in this series. And from bowling, I would pick Kuldeep Yadav as the one getting maximum wickets in this series. Though, of course, Arshdeep is there probably play all the 3 matches. And Tilak Verma also could contribute with the bat, provided he is given a free hand to say you're playing all the 3 matches. Not much of changes in this combination, unless there are injuries. So that's how it looks like to me. Ruturaj Gaikwad doesn't find favor because he's the third opener now, and I wouldn't go with him. The only substitution I could see is Prasidh Krishna coming in for Nitish Kumar Reddy in case there is a requirement of an extra pacer or a third genuine pacer. Otherwise, this combination by and large should work for all the 3 matches. So let's see. Match starting at 1:30. Yes, the second half there will be dew, so there will be a lot of issues there. But I would still say whether toss will not give too much of an advantage or a disadvantage, despite the dew factor. Some advantage will be there, yes. But basically, yeah, India. That's it. Thank you.